student, welcome back to my channel Concept Clear by SK Maji. Today in this video I will discuss with you about compound interest. Have you any interest? Have you any idea about simple interest and compound interest? Have you any confusion? If you have any confusion, please join with me and continue to watch this video. This video will be very interesting. Please watch this video till the end. এই ভিডিওতে আমি তোমাদের জন্য কম্পাউন্ড ইন্টারেস্ট নিয়ে বলছি, কিন্তু প্রথমে সিম্পল ইন্টারেস্ট। What is interest? If a sum of money is deposited in a bank or borrowed from a person, then an extra sum of money is given by the bank or the person to whom it is borrowed. That means who is a money lender. This extra sum is not given according to the beautiness of your face. This is given at a certain rate, which is called rate percent per annum. Rate percent per annum. If rate percent per annum is R, principal is P and time is T, then simple interest can be calculated by this formula. You have already known PRT by 100, and the amount will be principal, which is my own money, principal plus simple interest is equal to amount. But in some specific cases, if you have to find principal, rate, time, please remind these formulas. Now we introduce compound interest. What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? In simple interest, you have to write the formula PRT by 100 if there is time is 2 year, 3 year, then P into R into time, either 2 or 3. But in compound interest, at the end of every 1 year, the amount will be the principal for the next year. So, in this video, I will discuss with you two types of sums. In some sums, compound interest is calculated without using formula and with using formula. Okay, without using formula is only one from R.S. Agarwal. This will helpful for the student of class 8 CBSE or class 9 ICSE, Concise, and CBSE R.S. Agarwal. Now I am doing some sums from R.S. Agarwal 11A. R.S. Agarwal. Question number 1. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 2500. That means principal is equal to rupees 2500. Time is 2 years. And rate is 10%. Rate is 10% per annum, yearly compounded. In this case, you have to find interest for first year. Interest for first year, not 1 year, first year. 2500 into 10 into 1 by 100. 250 is the interest for first year. This will be added to principal and amount at the end of first year. End of first year amount is equal to 2500 plus 250. Therefore 2500 or 250 add karo 0 5 2750. This is the principal for second year. Therefore, principal for second year, principal is equal to 2750 in the second year. Therefore, interest for second year, not 2 year, second year is equal to 2750 into 10 into 1 by 100. 1 because second year only 1 year. 0 0, therefore 275 is the interest for second year. What is the compound interest? Compound interest can be calculated by two ways. Compound interest ke calculate kora jabe duto bhabe. First year er interest plus second year er interest is equal to 525. 525 is the compound interest. This is one way. Other way hochche ki amount, last amount at the end of second year 2750 plus 275 is equal to 5, 12 carry 1, no, 3025. This is the amount at the last year, and the first principal is 2500. Principal minus korte hobe, so 525 520. This is another way. Choose only one, either this or this. Okay, now I will do some sums related to compound interest by using formulas and also its application. Application means how to find the rate of interest, how to find the principal, how to find the time. This is from exercise 11B, R.S. Agarwal, and in next video, okay, first question 11B, exercise 11B, question number 1, principal is equal to rupees 6000, rate is equal to 9% and time is equal to 2 years. Therefore, amount is equal to, this is the formula of amount, not compound interest, P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. N means conversion period. It may be equal to the year if it is yearly compounded, but in half yearly it will be twice. In every year, compound interest is calculated in 2 times if it is half yearly compounded. In quarterly time will be, N will be 4 times of the time. In this case, N is equal to T because it is yearly compounded. Principal is equal to 6000 into 1 plus R is equal to 9 by 100 into whole to the power 2. Therefore, 6000 into 109 by 100 whole square is equal to 6000 into 109 by 100 into 100. Two threes are, 2 fives are, therefore 109 into 109 into 3 divided by 5, this will be the amount. 109 into 109, one 8 7 carry 1 1 1, 11,700 into 3. It will be a very large number. this will be your answer. This is amount, and find compound interest by this way, amount minus principal. Principal 6,000, then it will be your answer. This is the compound interest. But some different kind of sums like this. Question number 18 of the same exercise, question number 18. At what rate percent will rupees 4,000 amount to rupees 4,400? That means principal is equal to 4,000, amount is equal to 4,410 in 2 years. That means time is equal to 2 year. N is equal to 2 year. You have to find the rate percent. Rate percent, question mark. Now we know that amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. This is the formula of amount. Now amount is given 4,410. Principal is equal to 4,000 into 1 plus. This is the technique. You have to follow this technique to find the rate. Exponented 4,410 divided by 4,000 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 2. This is time 2. That means এটার হোল স্কয়ার হচ্ছে এটা, তার মানে এটাও এখানে হোল স্কয়ার আসবে। 441 is the whole square of 21 and 400 is the whole square of 20. Therefore 1 plus R by 100 is whole square. As their exponents are equal, therefore base will also be equal. Therefore 1 by 1 plus R by 100 is equal to 21 by 20. Therefore R by 100 is equal to 21 by 20 minus 1. Therefore R by 100 is equal to 1 by 20. R is equal to 100 by 20, 5%. 5% per annum, it is the right answer. Next sum, in how many times will rupees 1,800 amount to 2,178 in 10% rate of interest when the compounded annually? Same type but different technique will be followed. Principal is equal to 1,800 and amount equal to 2,1. Principal is equal to 1,800 rupees, amount is equal to 2,178, rate is equal to 10%. You have to find time. Rate is equal to 10%. You have to find time. Therefore amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. অ্যামাউন্ট মানে হচ্ছে 2178, প্রিন্সিপাল 1800 into 1 plus 10 by 100, calculate it 1 by 10. Therefore 2178 divided by 1800 is equal to 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 whole to the power n. 900, 2 ones are 2, 1, 11, 2 5s are 10, 1 17, 2 8s are 16, 1 18, 2 9s are 2 ones are 2, 0, 17, 2 eights are 16, 1, 18, 2 nines are. That means nine ones are 9, 100, 9 ones are 9, 1, 18, 9 twos are